Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to erase your ex from a photo. We're going to use a free tool. Search for AVC AI. And then find the free tool AI Remover. Now click here to upload photo into AVC AI. Then start painting the part you want to erase. Adjusting the brush to a larger size here will make it easier to apply. After completely smearing the X you want to erase, click here. Then you will see the magic. Only you are left in the whole photo and there is no trace beside it. You can click here to see the before and after treatment comparison. It's amazing, isn't it? Finally, you only need to click here to save it to your computer without watermark. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe.